All right, take a look at these problems. The first thing we're going to do is that we're going to write the problem a second time. Now, the reason why we're writing it a second time is because it's called preserving the integrity of the original problem. The idea is that if we start solving on top of the original problem, we can't see sometimes what the original problem was, we can't find the mistakes. So we want to keep the original problem the same and then start working just underneath. So go ahead and write the problem a second time, right underneath. And then from there, we're going to start solving. So this x is on the left side of the equal sign. Again, this x right here is on the left side of the equal sign. So this is a left side problem. So we're going to solve x to the left. So to solve x to the left, we need to get rid of this adding 6 on the left. And you use a, and then x comes down, v2 cancel, equals comes down, and here we have different signs. And the rule is different signs subtract, so we'll get 7. If the bigger sign wins, it'll be positive 7. This is finished. And this is pretty nice. This is only 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Very nice problem. Good. We're going to write the problem again. X minus 4 equals 13. That's the very first step. Just writing it over. And then this is a left side problem because x is on the left side of the equal sign. So we'll solve to the left. So we'll get rid of the negative 4 on the left side by adding 4. And then what we do on one side, we add to the other side. So this little step 2 actually has 2 technical names. We're using an additive inverse here, negative 4, then we're using positive 4. That's the additive inverse. But because you write it on both sides, it's called balancing the equation. Whatever you do to one side, whatever you do to the other. Whatever you do to one side, whatever you do to the other. That's a fancy way of saying balancing equations, or balancing sides. All right, step 3. The x comes down here, we get x there. This cancels out. The equal sign comes down. Same signs add, we get 17. And the bigger sign is positive, so that's positive. Step 3 is okay. Number 3. Number 3, the x, once again, is on the left side of the equation. So this is a left side problem. So step 1 is just simply to repeat the problem, preserving the integrity of the original problem. And again, since this is a left side problem, we're going to solve to the left. So the negative 3 is what we're going to get rid of. So I'm going to put a positive 3 here. And what do we do to one side? You do to the other side. And that was simple. As a result, the 3's cancel. The x comes down, the equal sign comes down, and these are different signs. Different signs subtract. So when I subtract these, I'll get 8. The bigger sign wins, which is the negative 11, so that's negative 8. Okay, number 4. Number 4, once again, it's a left side problem. The x is on the left side of the equal sign. We're going to preserve the integrity of the problem by writing it again. That's step 1. Step 2, on the left side, we're going to get rid of the positive 13. So subtract 13 from this side. And from this side, balancing the equation. On the third step, getting x here comes down. These 2 terms, they collect and become 0. The equal sign comes down. And over here, we have same signs, negative 4 and negative 13. So same signs will add to get a 17. and then the bigger sign wins, which is the negative 13. So that becomes a negative 17. All right. Again, I think you guys are gonna like this section. It's gonna be nice and relaxed. Later on, we'll tougher. Okay. I made some bad choices in the problem, but I will fix them later. Yep, these very bad choices here. I fix these. Okay. All right, on number 5, X is on the left side. This is the left side problem. We're going to write this again, preserving the integrity of the original problem. That's step 1. Step 2, on the left side, we're going to get rid of this add 16 by using a negative 16, and then put on both sides to balance.
-3.
That's a negative 3. Check that.
No, after I.
I see what you're saying. Okay, you're just ahead of me. You got it. All right. Then step 3, bring down the x, counts up to 16, and you subtract these two because they're different signs. You get 3, and the bigger sign is negative, so it is negative 3. Exactly right. Well done. Well done. Okay. All right. Number 6. Exactly as I do. Exactly as I do. Step 1. Simply preserve the integrity of the original problem. So when x minus 14 equals negative 13. Step 2. This is a left side problem. X is on the left, so we get rid of the negative 14 on the left side. So I'm going to add 14 here and then balance it by adding 14 there. On step 3, the x will come down. The 14s, which are as a difference, will cancel, and the equals will come down. Here we have different signs. Different signs will stack. So 13 minus 14, we get 1. The bigger sign wins, so that's a positive 14, so this is a positive 1. This is finished. Okay. Number 7. Number 7, we have, let's preserve the integrity of the original problem. Negative 3 plus x equals 11. And step 2, since this is a left side problem, x is on the left side, we're going to get rid of the negative 3 on the left side. So, put the positive 3 here, and we'll do it on one side, we do it to the other, so it's balanced. And step 3, the 3's cancel, the x comes down, the equals comes down, and these are same signs. Same signs will add, we'll get 14, and the bigger sign wins, which is positive 11. So that's positive 14. Okay, number 8 is a little different problem. I wish I had more of these. In fact, I should have 3 more of these. So I apologize for this. I will change these so that I get more of these. But this is a right side problem. I only have one of them. It's sad. If an x is on the right side, that means we're going to solve to the right. That means all the numbers on the right are going to be eliminated. So step 1, preserve the integrity of the problem. Step 2, going to the right side, we have a negative 11 here. And then what you do on one side, you do on the other. Okay. So this is a little different. Again, this is a right side problem. X is on the right side of the equal sign. So that's why we're getting rid of the 11 on the right side. All right. Right here, same signs add. So this will be 25, 24, 24. So 24. The bigger sign wins, which is 13, so that's negative 24. Equal sign comes down, the x comes down, these two cancel, and you can see that really is a right side problem because x is on the right side. I'm going to probably improve this one maybe right now as you guys work. So that's it.